All retire rich people say they wish they had started earlier. They wish they had taken that leap of faith sooner. Well, today's video is for those who are thinking about taking that leap, but are too scared to take the plunge. Our story today is about a 23-year-old commerce graduate. From Biratnagar, Nepal, Ravi always wanted to do a job in finance. After graduation, he started applying for jobs, but soon he hit a wall. All the companies were saying the same thing: we're looking for someone with experience. He didn't have connections. He didn't have a fancy degree, but he had something else: Excel skills. During his college, he learned Excel formulas, pivot tables, data cleaning, and he actually enjoyed working with data. But the problem was he didn't know how to earn from it. One night while scrolling YouTube, he found a video titled "Earn Money with Excel" on Fiverr. He watched it, and something clicked. Step 1. He created a Fiverr account. He added a gig titled, "I will clean and organize your Excel spreadsheet." He uploaded 3 simple images, a before and after of a messy Excel file, a dashboard, and a list of tasks he could do. Step 2. He added keywords and waited for days, no response. But he didn't give up. He improved his gig, added more samples, and finally after 12 days, he got his first message: "Hi, can you fix this Excel file with VLOOKUP?" Ravi did it. He used formulas, formatting, and cleaned the file in 30 minutes. The client paid $15 and gave him a 5-star review. From there, it grew. He started offering more services, creating dashboards, data entry, automation, formula correction, cleaning messy CSVs. One client turned into 5, 5 turned into 50 within 3 months. Ravi was making $300 per month, all while working from his bedroom. Now, he earns enough to support his family, save monthly, and even bought a second-hand laptop just for work. Now, he works less than 5 days a week and spends his time playing basketball and with his family. He says, "Fiverr didn't make me rich. Excel did. Fiverr was just the bridge." You might be thinking, "I don't know Excel." Well, you do. You just don't know that you do. If you know basic calculations, formulas, and how to create simple dashboards, you already know enough to start. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need anyone's permission. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop and an internet connection. There are more than 2 million open freelance jobs today. People are leaving their 9-to-5 jobs and becoming freelancers, and guess what? You can do it too. If Ravi can do it, so can you. If I can do it, so can you. This story is proof that freelancing is not about being perfect. It's about showing up. And if you're watching this, I know you can do it too. Thank you for watching.